So if you have an RV or a trailer of any sort, it could be snowmobile trailer, ATV, anything like that, enclosed trailer, oftentimes it's gonna have one of these vents on top. And unfortunately, the vent cover is made out of sort of cheap plastic. So we've had this trailer since I think 2006 now, and I've replaced the vent cover cap many times. So that's all this video is gonna be, a quick tutorial on how you need to do this. It's very simple. Very minimal tools required, and you can probably do it in about 5-10 minutes. Just be careful if you're climbing on top of your trailer or anything like that, or on top of your RV. So stay tuned, I'm gonna walk you through how to assemble this and then how we're gonna attach it, and that'll be it. So the assembly of this is really simple. They include instructions, but really the only thing you really need to pay attention to in the instructions is which way the large hole opening goes. And that's gonna be because of the trailing arm, the little arm has a large circle so that it slides in here, and then this won't fly off when it's in the upright position. And then you also have to pay attention to which way this bar goes on. You want the opening facing inwards, and then there's just 6 little bolts and nuts with a washer. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It'll take you like 1 or 2 minutes to set this up. So now I'm going to move on to what might be, I guess, the trickiest part of this, which is actually going on the roof and how you install it. Alright, so I am up on the roof of my trailer. Always be sure that before you walk on or sit on or anything, the roof of your trailer or your RV, that it can hold your weight. I'm making sure that I'm kind of sitting on the support beams underneath, not putting too much pressure on just this aluminum roof. So what we've got here is we have this little channel, which is exactly what this channel on the new cover is going to line up and slide onto. So all you're going to do is line them up, and it should slide right into place. And then what you're going to have to do from here is you would want to go inside, crank this piece up all the way, and then what you'll do is, as I mentioned, mine is broken. There would normally be a full circle here, but that full circle will then line up with the big circle there. Now, if for some reason you couldn't get these two to line up, my best suggestion would be that you then flip this piece around. That way you could try and put this in the downward position, and it would line up. So I'm gonna throw the camera on the tripod real fast because I need both hands to do this, and then I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't really film that because of I needed both hands to get the piece into place. But as you can see, we're all set up now. It's back and it's good to go. So this is a really simple fix that you can do on yourself. You shouldn't have to pay somebody a good amount of money, or don't necessarily let them trick you into thinking you need to replace this whole sort of assembly. All you really need to do is replace that top cap. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.